Hi everyone, today I'm talking about this Eco Tank ET2800 Epson Smart Panel, and with cartridge-free basic home printing, and with black, yellow, pink, and blue. Save up to 90%, ultra low cost replacement ink, stress-free printing with zero cartridge, enhanced connectivity and productivity from your mobile device, high quality photo printing, copy or scan, and Wi-Fi, rare paper input, mobile printing. So you can use your phone too. You can print with black color only for 4,500 pages. Colored printing, you can print for up to 7,500 pages if you just use this color ink. Now let's open it, and we can try it after with our phone or mobile device. There you go. So this one first with the connector, with the CD or instruction here about the product. It's big, guys. See? So the ink is included with the brand new one. We got this one in Best Buy at $229 plus tax, and it's very lightweight. Let's remove this tape. So you can Xerox copy here too, and this is really small thing. Now I will measure it, guys, and see what is the size, so you can put it, so you can pull that one. And I guess this one to go up here to put the paper when it's printing. Okay, and then this one here. So now we're gonna measure. So it's 14, almost 15 inches, the width, and 13 included the tank, and then the height is 7 inches. Yeah, 7 inches. This is the manual, read and follow instruction, but I wanna zip up this one and show it to you. This one is the cord. Connect the power cord to the back of the product. The outlet, we just put it in here and then just plug it in. Okay, let's start it on. Look at that, guys. English. Okay, let's set it up for English. So English. Okay, and then it said finish setup using Epson Smart Panel app. Install app. Okay, I need to install app, guys. So this one, it shows you have to download the app. So and you can download the Epson Smart Panel in your phone and then search your product name. So ET2800. That's it. Close and set up new product here. Searching for the product. Connect here. Now let's get ready for ink installation. Now let's put the ink. Before you start, make sure to follow the rules. Stay in front of the printer. Do not turn off and print while setting it up. Setting up. It's sending information to the printer. You need to wait because it's sending information to the printer. Please wait. Do not turn off or power off. You can now prepare the printer. Swipe the screen to down to screen below previous or next steps. Now prepare the ink, starting with black. Do not shake or squeeze the bottle. Just put it and that's it. Now open the black. Here, I'll show it to you. It's open, and remove the black ink bottle from the. Okay, just insert this one here. The ink takes about 15 seconds to reach the upper line and then automatically stop flowing. So it's automatic, guys. Don't touch anything. And see in the bottom. See, now it's stopped. It's removed. Close this one tightly, but follow the color of this ink to put. because otherwise it's not gonna sit up in your. Make sure you don't mix with the color. And if you have extra with this color or any, you can close it tight and you can use it later. That's the instruction. Now it's stopped, so remove. And now it's the pink one, so just follow. There you go. And the next is blue. And the blue one. Very easy, this one to fill up. Not complicated, and it's very space saving printer. Okay, it's done. Close this one. Close it. Let's go in the app and then all ink tanks filled with the ink. So yes, let's start ink installation now. Ink installation is in progress. Please wait until it is complete. Just follow, and it's very easy. Okay. Installation ink, it takes 11 minutes to complete. To receive complete notice, select allow to next screen. So it said 11 minutes, guys. You have to wait. Do not turn off or open the scanner until while ink initializing. Let's connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. Connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. Epson Smart Panel apps, and then they help you to set up all this printer. Now our printer is complete, so we can connect it now to the Wi-Fi. Make sure signal network strong, checking Wi-Fi. Okay, so just follow this one here, guys. Load letter at size plain paper. See the arrow here? Look. So you have to slide something there. And then, okay, continue. This is a Wi-Fi. Just follow the setup. They will ask you here with your setup with the Wi-Fi or connect via Wi-Fi. Proceed to OK. And then our Wi-Fi home can connect that one too. Enter the password. Press OK. Setting up now. I just want to go in the basic with this printer. How to set up, or you can do with your apps too. But the apps is a bit kind of complicated. So now it's complete. Let's try to print now. We're gonna use it in the phone. Now it's connected, so just press this one and then print. We'll see how this one works. It said printing. Because it's in the phone. Oh, it's printing. You can set it up in here. In the apps, it's kind of complicated. So it's printing, guys, nicely. And this panel here, you can put it like that or like that. So it's adjustable. Isn't that cool? And you can put this one away. So you have a sleek printer. And you can copy here. Can check out the app too. It's a bit tricky to set up. Hope this video is helpful for you. Bye. See you in my next one.